Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. On this video I'm going to show you guys how to update your OBS if you are close the update notification in the first you open your OBS. Actually it's really easy. If you are accidentally remind later on the first you open the OBS, here the exactly video you what you need. So you go to this help and then click this check for updates, and then if the update is available, this kind of window will be open, and then click update now. And then if I update this OBS, my recording will be closed, so I will click no, and then I click no since I'm still recording on this video. So that's it guys, very simple, very easy. I hope it's helpful for you. If it is, please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching guys, bye bye.